Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use overlays in DaVinci Resolve. First, open your project and navigate to the Edit page. Drag your desired overlay footage from the media pool onto a video track above your main clip. Ensure the overlay clip is on a higher track, like Video 2 or Video 3, to appear on top. Then, select the overlay clip and open the Inspector panel. Locate the Composite mode drop down under Video, and choose a basic blend mode like Screen or Add to begin integrating it into your scene. Next, let's dive deeper into blend modes and opacity. Experiment with various composite modes, such as Overlay for contrast, Multiply for darkening, or Lighten for brighter effects. Each mode interacts differently with your background footage. Adjust the opacity slider, typically found in the inspector, from 100% down to a lower value like 50%, to control the overlay's transparency. This allows for subtle integration or a more pronounced visual impact, giving you precise control over the final look. Now, let's master positioning and sizing your overlays. In the Inspector's Transform section, use the position controls to move your overlay horizontally and vertically across the frame. Adjust the zoom slider to scale your overlay, making it larger or smaller, perhaps filling 2/3 of the screen or just a small corner. You can also rotate it using the rotation control. For dynamic effects, set keyframes on these parameters to animate the overlay's movement and size over time, creating engaging visual sequences. Finally, enhance your overlays with precise masking and compositing. In the Inspector, under Cropping or Power windows, you can draw custom shapes like rectangles, circles, or freehand masks to reveal only specific parts of your overlay. This is incredibly useful for integrating elements seamlessly, perhaps making an overlay appear behind an object in your main footage. Combine these masks with different blend modes to achieve sophisticated compositing results, allowing for truly professional and creative visual storytelling within your project.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.